Okay, we're going to open the ZV-1 slim case that I purchased on AliExpress to have a look and then see how that fits on to the Sony ZV-1 camera. So I tried opening here, but it doesn't, it does. Opens up like that. And then take that through, put this to the side, that's it, there. And it has a styrene part, throw it away, and that's it. Rubber case with this bit that opens up here for the zoom lens to come out. Okay, I'm now going to fit it to the camera and then I'll give another quick video of that and then that's it. Okay, so now I'm going to put the case on to show you what it looks like. Looks relatively straightforward. I'm just going to feed the wristband through there. Push the camera in. And you'll see that there's cutouts for the wheel there. And it actually just fits snugly around the side. It doesn't actually clip on here, but leaves space for that. You can also see there are buttons, indented buttons across the top, where for example, the mode button is, and the on-off button here, and the product showcase button here. All of those are sort of buttons, so you can actually feel them quite nicely. Same here, there are rubber buttons for each of those control points there. In terms of the screen can still move out, although I notice it catches a little bit on the edge, but it's not a major issue there. And that's probably why it's so loose there. And let me just start the camera up, and then to the top opens up to allow that to take the pictures, and then I'll turn that off and flops back down. So that's it. Nice simple protection for the camera, splash proof, scratch proof, so any particular damage just gives you that extra bit of protection. To be fair, the back is pretty much unprotected with this, so again you don't really have anything here, but the other sides do have rubber protection on them, so if you did accidentally drop and it went down like this, you would have some form of protection more than the standard camera. Hope that's good. Everyone's had a good look at this. If this is something that interests you, I'll put a link down to purchase it from Amazon. I think this is about £8, $12 for the camera case. Yeah, hope that's helpful for you. Thanks.